Hi students, today we will study velocity resonance. Displacement of a body in forced oscillation is given by x is equal to a sin qt minus phi, equation number 1. Velocity is the derivative of displacement with respect to time. Velocity of the body in forced oscillation v is equal to dx by dt. The derivative of displacement with respect to time, that is equal to a as it is the derivative of sin qt minus phi, that is cos of qt minus phi into q, equation number 2. Put this aq is equal to v0. v0 is velocity amplitude. Therefore, equation 2 becomes v is equal to v0 cos of qt minus phi. Consider v0 is equal to aq. In this equation, put the value of a, that is amplitude. Value of a, f0 divided by m square root of omega square minus q square bracket square plus r square q square upon m square. Put this value of a in v0, that is velocity amplitude. Then we have v0 is equal to, this is the value of a into q. v0 is equal to f0 m square root of omega square minus q square bracket square plus r square q square divided by m square. v0 is equal to f0 divided by m upon q. This q is from here. From numerator we take m upon q. There is arrangement. Square root of omega square minus q square bracket square plus r square q square upon m square. This denominator m upon q, this q is taken inside the square root, then it become q square. Then v0 is equal to f0 divided by m square root of omega square minus q square bracket square divided by q square plus r square q square upon m square divided by q square. This q square get cancelled with this q square and we get v0 is equal to f0 m square root of omega square minus q square bracket square upon q square plus r square upon m square. The velocity amplitude v0 depends upon omega square minus q square bracket square upon q square. This velocity amplitude is maximum when this denominator is minimum. The condition for minimum denominator is d by dq of denominator, that is d by dq of omega square minus q square divided by q bracket square plus r square upon m square is equal to 0. Here we take q square is inside this square, then it becomes a q. The variation of velocity amplitude with driving frequency q is shown in this graph. The frequency of applied force, this is increases, reaches to maximum value, that is V max at q is equal to omega. Velocity amplitude increases at q is equal to omega. Velocity amplitude is maximum, and this is the condition for velocity resonance. Beyond this, q increases, omega decreases. V is equal to f0 m square root of omega square minus q square upon q bracket square plus r square upon m square. Put q is equal to omega. This is the condition for velocity resonance. Then it becomes V max is equal to f0 m square root of omega square minus omega square upon omega. Here we put the value of q is omega at velocity resonance plus r square upon m square, that is equal to f0 m, the value of this omega square minus omega square is 0, square root of 0 plus r square upon m square. On simplification we get f0 m multiplied by r upon m. This m get cancelled with this m, then we get V max is equal to f0 upon r. It shows that V max proportional to 1 upon r. When V is large, r is small. When r is equal to 0, V is equal to infinity. We know that tan phi is equal to rq divided by m inside the bracket omega square minus q square. At velocity resonance, condition is q is equal to omega. Put this condition in tan phi, then we get tan phi is equal to rq divided by 0. That is, here we put the value of omega is equal to q, then denominator becomes 0. Then tan phi is equal to rq upon 0, that is equal to infinity. Tan phi is equal to infinity. Then phi is equal to pi by 2 or 90 degree. Phi is phase difference. At resonance, displacement and applied force have phase difference pi by 2.